hi there sa mga kababayan ko dyan sa UAE. Hari na sa Evergreen Polyclinic. First, yung pinagawa ko na sa aking skin at saka sa aking ID drips. It's a very affordable. Si Dr. Persona is the very best doctor ever. Will never go out any clinic, only this clinic. So, very affordable guys. At the same time, they are accepting Tamara and Tabi. Very nice service from the staff. Okay, mga service, like for example, for anti-aging, meron tayong gluta, meron din tayong laser, meron din tayong pambuho. At the same time, meron din tayong mesotherapy. Meron tayong a lot of service dito. So, hurry! Go, go, go! So, dito yung doctor consultation kay doktora to.